So we have the EVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle in grey. Just came through today. Okay. A rubber strap, which is on a popper, as usual, and it's actually rubber. Okay. See how? Okay, they're on pretty tight springs. Yes, I think that, yeah, that clips out. Okay, yep. And there's the camera. So 0.78 of an inch, or thereabouts. Just over 3/4 of an inch sensor. SD socket and USB-C socket in the back of it, and I guess there's the cameras for the obstacle avoidance. Another one there and there. And yep, cameras on the front. That's the controller. Oh, that feels really solid. That's really good. Yeah, that's not like an Xbox holder. That is actually really good. Nice positive buttons. USB-C socket there. It's not on the spring. Put one socket there. Okay. So what else we got? Yeah, usual silica gel. Also accessories. Okay. And I've got that's just a USB-C to USB-C lead. Yeah, the collection of USB leads are Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB. And these are the spare blades. Packs in pairs. A little crosshead screwdriver, which is, yeah, you can see that the propeller bolts are actually crosshead. That's much simpler. Now this looks like the... oh yeah, these are control sticks themselves. They'll go into the controller. And some little grub screws. Check that out later. I've got this okay. It's the battery charger. It's mains charger unit, USB and USB-C. I've got the 2 extra batteries that you get with the premium bundle. And the storage charge, as they should be. It's under halfway. And this one. Okay, so you press and hold to turn it on, and just press it to see what the goes up quite low. Charged up. Salt resistant. Okay, there's no charge on that. And that's it. That's some instructions here on the top. Quick start. Charging guidelines. Contents. So I'm going to need to get it all charged up before I can do anything. Little pin sockets. Oh, they're sprung. Not sprung. So it should just go in there. It's loose. Ah, okay, it clips in. That in. USB socket there. USB-C, so let's get this out of the drone. Guess it's those two. Oh, okay, yep, wasn't too bad. Okay, so let's plug this in. And nothing's happening. Oh, here we go. It's taken a while to think about it.
These are spare propeller screws and the control sticks. Just having to be a bit careful to not cross-thread them. I just want to see here how well it goes back in the bag with the control sticks on. Not good that way around. And this way around, the way it came in, they do stick through. It's going to be quite squashed in there.
Gap about 63 millimeters maximum. There's no spring in the holder. Oh, that sounds like a bit further. Aha, there's a spring You pull it out further for a spring, and you pull it out, you've got about 18 millimeters to pull it out, so your device has to be between 63 millimeters and 82. This is my Galaxy S10e Essentials cut down version. That fits okay.